I will be trying out and testing this Urban Decay All-Nighter Face Primer Longwear Foundation Grip. It says it preps, it smooths, and it perfects. And honey, from what I've seen, it ain't lying. So I'm, you know, really excited to be giving this a try, and I want to share it with you all. I came across this from watching a pictorial on Instagram, and a person was just using it on their face, and she never said what it was or what it is, but her end result was impeccable. So, and comment down below if you know you've already used this. Please, the engagement would be kindly welcome. Share your thoughts about this product down in the comment section below. I would love to get your feedback, because this is going to be my first time using it, and I'm excited. So we're going like this. 1, 2. I'm gonna do 2.5. That's what we're gonna do. 2.5. Rub my fingertips together. Now, when I rub my fingertips together, it has a you know that clear cement glue from preschool when you was back in school? Yeah, it has that kind of smell to it. Oh my god. Okay. It's going on smooth. Let me get under the fine lines under my eyes. I want to fill in those fine lines, honey. Much better. So my face feels very tacky. Alright. I smell like that school cement glue stuff. So now I'm going to be applying my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I've been using this for the last strong year and a half. Absolutely loves it. Absolutely love it. And we are going to apply it. Now, I'm assuming you want to apply this when it's tacky, you know, to get the full benefit of it gripping your foundation and not allowing it to let itself go. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So, dab, 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 dab. Woo! Alright, so my foundation is applying very seamlessly. It's not streaking. I'm able to move the product around my face. My skin does look very smooth. Okay, you see a difference? I see a difference. My skin looks very smooth and hydrated, just as the packaging said. So right now I'm just going to finish applying my face. A little bit of lip gloss to complete the look. And voila. Oh my god, dolls. Let me tell y'all, this Urban Decay All-Nighter Face Primer Longwear Foundation Grip, it is worth you dolls seriously looking into. I mean, my makeup came out so good that I am ready to take it out this door. Yes, ma'am. I'm excited. I really like this. I really like this, and I hope you begin to really like it too. Comment down below on if you already used this or heard about it. Give me some feedback so I can get the comment section going. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything else that I use, I will be sure to list it down in the description box below, including where you can get your hands on this bad boy at, because the look that it's just giving me, she's ready to serve face. Yeah, seriously speaking, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.